You know that tense silence after a dinner time battle, when everyone's still feeling a bit off? Instead of letting that feeling linger, try this shift. Just say, "That was a tough dinner, mate. How about we go read a book together?" What you're showing them is simple but powerful. Our connection is more important than that fight over the carrots. It ends the night with a cuddle, not in a conflict. This is just one of the simple strategies from my guide. You can find them all at calmparentingpath.com.